What makes relationships unsteady and how can we make them steady? Suppose two countries that have drastically differing, even opposing values and cultures. If they come together because of some extrinsic factor such as defeating a common enemy, then they will be together for some time. But once that extrinsic factor is no longer present, once that common enemy is defeated, their mutual differences will resurface and will undermine their relationship. What applies to national relationships also applies to human relationships. People often form relationships based on some extrinsic factors such as looks or finances. While these factors may be initially attractive, even overwhelmingly attractive, because we may seek some gain such as sensual indulgence or financial security or prosperity. But over time, these initial attractions will wane. What will sustain the relationship is the values that the people in the relationship share. Traditionally, most cultures recommended marrying within one's own social group, be it caste or race or class. This recommendation was not so much because of narrow-mindedness or sectarianism, but because of an implicit recognition that people within one's own social group were more likely to share one's values. Of course, that specific criteria may not apply in today's world because urbanization and globalization have made social groups diffused and diverse. Still, the underlying principle holds true. Relationships are more likely to last if they are based on shared values rather than on any external considerations. Among the various values that we may share with others, often the most defining and consequential are our spiritual values. Why? Because the spiritual alone is enduring. Therefore, having shared spiritual values gives people in the relationship a focus that is enduring. The Bhagavad Gita states that those who are centered on the supreme spiritual reality, Krishna, delight in discussing His glories and in enlightening each other about Him. Macchitta madgata prana bodhayantaha parasparam kathayantascha mam nityam tushyanti charamanti cha. So if we understand this point, that if we are centered on the principle of serving Krishna, then because He is all pure, He can also purify us and thereby uplift us beyond many of the factors that could otherwise pull us apart. That's why seeking relationship based on shared spiritual values is an important platform for paving the way to sustainable relationships. Thank you.